Okay, here we demo how to wire the whole system, how to wire the lock and face fingerprint system. This is the interface for the face and fingerprint model. You can see a lot of interface, but we only use these two, NO1 and CAM1, to open lock. And for the biometric device, use the power adapter to power it up. We already include that in the package box. Insert here to power on this device. Then just use these two connection terminal. And this is the big picture for how to wire the whole system. We have exit button, power supply, biometric device, and different locks. You can see almost all components are connected to the power supply. So the power supply is very important. For this power supply, the input voltage is from 110 to 240 voltage, and the output is 12 to power on the lock, to power on the lock. For the power unit, if multiple wires come to the same terminal, just consolidate it together and connect to that terminal. For example, multiple wires will go to GND of power unit. These wires share GND connection point. And for the input just two wire. The wire is red color. No matter positive or negative, just connect to your power outlet. Okay, we'll go through the component one by one. For the exit button, connect to power unit. Two wires. One wire is to push. This wire is to push. Another wire is to GND. No matter positive or negative. And for the face and fingerprint model, also just two wire to power unit. Here, CAM1 to power unit GND. This one. Another wire NO1 to push. This wire. For the model, for the fingerprint model, it's powered on by its own power adapter. Just use CAM1 and NO1. Where is CAM1 and NO1? Here, in this picture, CAM1 and NO1. So you will use this pin connector and just use these two wires. Then, if you use a magnetic lock, also just two wire. V plus is to NC of power unit. V minus is to GND of power unit. This wire. And if we use strike lock, for example, this this type of strike lock, then strike lock has two types. One is failure secure, another is fail safe. For failure secure means keep locked in case of power failure. Then one wire will go to NO, one wire go to NO, not NC, to NO. and another wire is to GND of power unit. Also, for this type strike lock, no matter positive or negative, and if your strike lock is fail safe, means will open in case of power failure. Its wire connection is the same with the magnetic lock. One wire will go to NC, another wire go to GND. For this type of strike lock, it's same with this one, blank one. Also, no matter positive or negative. We also have another type of strike lock. This one. The red wire will go to NO or NC. If it's failure secure, then the red wire will go to NO. If it's fail safe, the red wire will go to NC. And another wire, blank wire, always go to the GND or power unit. If you use bolt lock this type, then no matter positive or negative, one wire will go to NC, because bolt lock normally is fail safe, means power on to lock. Another wire go to GND. Okay, that's all for the connection. If you have any question, please contact me freely. I will support you quickly and professionally. Thank you.